My name is Rodrigo, Afanador. I'm with Asheville Cash Buyers, and just want to do a quick walkthrough on what our closing process is like, and kind of what are the different steps we have to go through on a normal acquisition. And so we're not agents; we're direct buyers for any property, and so sometimes we get a couple of different questions as far as, hey, so how does this work? When do I get my money? When do we close, etc. So just gonna outline it pretty easily, and if you have any questions, obviously feel free to just reach out to us. We're on Instagram at Asheville_real estate, or you can find us on Facebook at Asheville Real Estate as well, Asheville Cash Buyers, sorry. And just really looking to hopefully answer any of these questions, and if there's something that's not clear, just let me know. So the first process is looking at a property. So if you have a house or some land that you're thinking about selling, once we are able to go out and look at it, then we're going to be able to make you an offer. It's really challenging to give you a concrete offer that we can really stand behind until we've seen the property with our own eyes. So either myself or Nolan will have to go out there and check out the property, and then we can make you an offer at that point. So that's step one, is viewing the property. Step two would be making the actual offer. We'll let you know what we're able to do, and depending on how soon you want to close and what other things are important to you, then we'll agree on a purchase price and the other conditions of the sale. Conditions of the sale could be, if you have a property that's rented out, do we buy it with or without the tenants? Is the property going to be cleaned up? Is the property going to be vacant at closing? Are we buying it within 10 days, 7 days, or is this something we're purchasing 60 days from now? Just a couple of examples of the variables we'll iron out with the offer. And then once we agree on the offer, we'll go ahead and get it written up, submit it to our attorney, and then we'll send a copy of the contract to our attorney, to your attorney, and then we'll also submit go put the earnest money with either attorney's trust account. We don't really care. Once that happens, then we'll go through our title search and due diligence process. It's usually about 10 days. Sometimes it's a little less than that. Sometimes it's a little longer than that. Just kind of depends on each specific situation. After we get through due diligence, then we close. Typically, we're closing, within 20 to 30 days on the long end, unless there's specific variables that we're working through. After close, it's pretty simple. We show up at the closing table, sign the documents, and then after everything gets recorded, you go ahead and walk away with your proceeds. So all in all, we try to keep it simple, try to keep it straightforward. If you have any questions, just let us know. I really look forward to working with you if that's something that you're thinking about. And if not, you just want to have a conversation, get a couple of questions answered, we're here for that as well. Thank you.